everyone, Steve here. Today we're looking at a fully decked out Buyers Products black service body ladder rack. We'll check out the rack itself, the wind deflector kit, a couple different tie-down options, and 2 conduit carriers. Part numbers are listed on the screen below. Let's get started. The rack itself is part number 1501250. It's designed for single and dual rear wheel service bodies to make it easier to store and transport ladders, planks, and other long materials. It's offered in 13.5 and 14.5 foot lengths. It's made of durable carbon steel with a 1,000 pound capacity. The black powder coat finish and rust inhibiting E-coat help protect the rack from road wear and the elements. There are built-in tie points to make it easy to secure your cargo. The grab handles give you added stability when you're getting in and out of the truck, and this rear bar is removable for loading larger items. We also have this wind deflector kit, which is part number 1501193, installed here on the front crossbar of the rack. As the name implies, this helps reduce wind noise while you're driving. It comes with 3 stainless steel mounting clamps, as you can see here, and is a great addition to the rack. If you're hauling heavy materials, you need a good way to tie it down. We have 2 different options on this rack. First up is part number 5480007. These are 1.5 inch wide ratchet straps and bolt onto round tube ladder racks like this one. All the metal components are either zinc plated or black powder coated for that same look and corrosion resistance as the rack. They're easy to use and do a great job locking down whatever you're storing on the rack. We also have 5480010. These feature a heavy-duty bolt-on construction with a quick spring retraction system instead of a traditional ratchet style tightener. This makes it super quick and easy to cinch up your load and get going. The strap itself is 10 feet long and 2 inches wide, with an S-hook on either end. Last up, we have 2 conduit carrier solutions. First is the CC400, which is a conduit carrier kit made for 4-inch diameter PVC. 6 and 8-inch diameter kits are also available. The PVC doesn't come with a kit, so you can get whatever length pipe you need to suit your application. The aluminum cap has a spring-loaded latching mechanism for easy access to your conduit. And there's a neoprene gasket on the door to seal the PVC and keep the interior dry. There's also a pre-drilled hole where you can put a padlock in to secure your conduit. Padlock sold separately. If you're looking for a more pre-built solution, there's part number 5401000, the diamond tread aluminum conduit carrier. This includes all the hardware you need to mount it right to your ladder rack. And because it's made of aluminum, you don't need to worry about rust. The carrier is 10 feet long, 11 inches wide, and 6 inches high. And that's everything. Thanks for checking out this service body ladder rack from Buyers Products. All the part numbers discussed in this video are listed below one last time for your reference.